Hey everybody, welcome to 2548 Woody Creek Drive. We're so excited to show you this house. It turned out amazing.
Absolutely. We've been talking about building a white house with stucco and stone and board and batten for over a year since we got started. So here we are, and it is by far our favorite to date. So lots more to come of these and lots of variety, but for now, I don't know, I think Shannon and I should play a little game of Marco Polo to show this house off. Why don't you go hide?
Fair enough. See you soon.
See ya.
She'll never find me. I just don't think she's that smart.
Marco! Marco! Hey, Marco!
You know, I love the craftsmanship of this bench.
Marco! Clearly he doesn't fit in there. Marco! Marco? Marco!
I'm pretty sure that she wanted to do this game just so she could hear herself talk and then put me in a box. I know she did.
Marco! Hey, Marco! Marco? Marco! Marco? 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 I think I found Polo. I don't know, I might leave you in there. It'll be a little closing gift, a surprise for the buyers. I don't know if the buyers would like you.
They wouldn't like me, they would love me.
Well, I found you, Shannon. But thank you guys. We hope you enjoyed our little game of Marco Polo to show off this awesome house and all of its features. We look forward to sharing more homes with you in the future.
Yeah, see you later, everybody.